So the market just got opened. Today is 10th of August, Thursday, that is expiry. So this is a major 0.6 level that is in the bigger time frame of 15 minutes and a bigger swing. So this is important zone, and this is, you all know, the 620 level. This one line is of 1.2 level. If this line breaks, then we can expect the move to the top here line. This is 1.6 level, the top, where the market could reach based on the past momentum. So if this line breaks, then the next target will be around the blue line, that is 791 level, which is around 2.6 level. We can consider it like that. So the bull momentum should continue at least. This is a huge bull momentum. I'm waiting for the first 5 minutes close, and I'm waiting for my setup to be ready. Let me draw 0.792. Okay, so I drawn this line. This is 0.7 level. So when we look at in the 1 minute chart, so there is a morning setup that is forming. So one thing I need to mention here, that is the volume based. See here, let me show you the volume. Wait a sec. So as you can see the volume here, see 2.5 million, right? 2.8. So the market is getting here, as you can see here, bigger. It is going upper and upper. The volume is like 4 million, maximum 6 million, 5 million, 7 million, 8 million. See, this is not very extraordinary volume. This is just a decent volume. So what is the meaning of extraordinary volume? What is the actual bull power is when the volume is around 20 million. See, something like that. When the volume is like 20 million, maybe 15 million, if the volume is like that, then it is considered as extremely bullish, and with bull power the market is going up and will continue the next day also, the gap up and all the increase in prices, something like that. So it is important to check the volume too. Even though the prices moved so much, but the volume is not really great. See, when you woke up early and when the market is at the starting, when you are sitting and just the market opens, and then the first thing you should do is do the halt analysis. That is preferable. So halt analysis is preferable. First you have to do that thing, The first, which is the best way to start the view about the market, right? So according to the first formula, can we place an order here? Means maybe not. See, there are two reasons. First thing is this 0.3 level, the market is taking support of this 0.3 level, right? And another thing is this hammer doesn't look perfect, and the other thing we can consider is this this didn't touch the 0.5 level, and that didn't even take the perfect support on 0.3 level. So better wait, we can wait long, right? Another possibility could be, see, we take Fibonacci based on the line chart, right? What if we take Fibonacci to the wick, and what happens? Let's see. So same difference, there is no difference when you even take to the wick or to the line chart. There is no much of a difference. So let's see, let's wait. So here I've just drawn this Fibonacci based on the 1 year time frame. So I took this small retracement as a swing. See here, this is I consider it as a proper correction, and I took this impulse as a swing and drawn the Fibonacci. I get somewhere around here 0.7 level. The market broke but didn't sustain. What I want to do is sustain, and sustain means, see, there shouldn't be a green candle here, right? So that one case. So the market is coming up again. Let's see. The thing is, can we even consider this as a 0.7 level or not? Because this swing here is just very small, just 4 candles. Can we even consider it as a swing or not? I don't know currently. So based on this, I can conclude that we shouldn't cancel this as swing, okay, as the market is proceeding to the upwards. So one thing I need to mention here, as I said, this is the 1.2 level, right? This one is the 1.2 level. The top, this thing is the 1.2 level, right? So as you can see, the market proceeded to this level and didn't touch it, right? So there is a small minute gap. So we are in this bullshit situation, right, where our stop loss got hit again, and as it is today's expiry, so the premium is so high, and my even though our stop loss is 0.5%, it is twice that we are getting the loss of minus 9.5%, that is around 10%. This is continuously stop loss hitting back to back. This is the biggest blunder by initiating this trade. See one thing here, this is the perfect 0.7 level, okay, and that didn't even break, okay. Then what happened? The market did this hammer thing, right? Here the small hammer, there is a hammer formation right there, okay. So what's the market is telling us? That I am going for upside. See, whenever the hammer comes at the 0.7 level, the market is telling that I'm not going down, I'm just going upside, just like that. It's a confirmation that we have to understand, okay. So here I didn't understand, then I waited for this candle, okay. Next the market came down, okay. I was waited again. At this point I was waited again. So my stop loss was here on matter, right? My stop loss was here. Then I moved my stop loss to here, right here. So what happened? This green candle has hit the stop loss. So okay, I checked in the option chart, and this is the 9.5% loss, okay. Then what if I holded the trade? See, I am not aware of this 9.5% because we don't have that dual screen facility. So I would be removing when like here or here, when I know that there is a huge loss. So okay, that's one. So I've minimized this loss, and see, there are major factors. This didn't break, one thing, and here the hammer formed, that is second thing. So based on these two things, there is no there is no point of making the trade for downside, right? So I just booked the loss. So if I don't book the loss, then what would have happened? See here, as you can see here, this move, this one, okay, this could entirely wipe our half of the capital, right? Like this could be around 30% or even more. This only single candle, right? So that is one thing, okay. Let's leave it there, okay. Let's leave it and come here. So here what I did, here I calculated. See, this is a 5 minutes time frame. So let me just yes. So this is the 5 minutes time frame, and at this point, to be honest with you, at this point I thought I'll go for upside if this level breaks and sustains. What? This blue level, this is 620 level, right? 620 level is a key level. As I said in the previous videos, this is a key level. Why I drawn, how I drawn, even I don't know, but I just drawn, I just left there, and the market keep on touching, and it is just became like strong resistance or support area, okay. At the perfect 620 level, if the market breaks and sustains, I was about to take a trade for upside here, okay. So this candle, this red candle is there, no? This red candle, it just acted like it is going up, Okay, so after this previous red candle, which is this, after this previous red candle, this red candle, how it became, how it behaved, let me show you. See, it is just like this. Okay, like just like this, but it in green. See, this candle is in green, not in red, remember. So what that indicates, this will shoot up all the way and this will just go and touch this level, right? We all think like that. I was about to enter the trade when the candle was green like this candle was green like this, but somehow I just managed to stop myself, and I didn't want to take a trade because of this something 620 level, or maybe any, I don't know exactly, but I don't remember exactly, but whether you call it luck or whether you call it anything, but I was about to enter the trade here. If I enter the trade here, then what would have happened? You have just saw previously, right? The candle is 150% downside, means your capital would wipe out in seconds. This momentum was so fast that in 1-2 minutes, just in 1-2 minutes, you could wipe out your entire capital. Let me show you in the 1 minute time frame so you can better understand it. So 10-15 to 10-20, so let's see, 10-20 candle here. See, this 20-22, see, this is acted just like what I said to you here, the drama. Okay, see, when you look at the 1 minute time frame, you can also confirm that this is the traffic signal or any, see, these are major points that this will shoot up all the way. So people would have entered here, many people would have grabbed, and see this one, only 2 candles I'm measuring just for you now. Okay, only these 2 candles, not much. 26%, right? One, I mean, where is here? So %, and here 40%. Then what does this mean? This is 25% or 26% means that I think maybe 75 to 80% of the capital would have vanished in just 2 minutes. Okay, it is that big. So let me show you one thing again here in the 5 minutes time frame. So previously what's happening, see, this candle right here, it's occurring just like a normal thing to us, right? See, market is in a bullish sentiment and suddenly a major fall comes. What do you think? It is just a trap, it is just a pullback, and then market could reverse all the way. And it is happening many times, right? It is happening many times. What if this candle just comes all the way down just like this? What would you do? In just seconds, I'm talking in just seconds, not minutes. So very risky market. I mean, in fact, I didn't experience this much of risk in my total trading career of 2 years or 3 years. Okay, wiping out your entire capital in a single minute, just 2 minutes, then that is not good for your health and good for your psychology, right? What would the people do when they enter here? See, what would have happened? Just imagine to him, okay? And again, here also, here people would have gone for the short position. Again, this big thing happened. This could also wipe out your entire capital, right? And market is almost broke the high, the open. Then market could go all the way up. Then people would trade here and then come down. So after this, dramatic fall or dramatic rise, what happened? I just drawn the fib level at this point where it is 0.7 level. This thing, market even broke this level and sustained and continue up. So this hammer is important. Would you trade in this dramatic situation, even though the rules are favor to you? You know, it is 0.7 level and a hammer, and the market is in the bullish sentiment. Would you even place an order here? Tell me. Would you even dare to place an order? So I was sleepy at the time. I mean, I was literally drowning. So I was seeing the chart with my eye and falling asleep. So after this shock of just what I did is this silly mistake. I, you know, my mood is completely off, and it is just like a hangout. So I went into sleep at this period total. I just woke up and I didn't even brush my teeth. So this is the condition, because see, this is my mistake and I'm feeling like this, right? My psychology totally destroyed, you can say that. The 9.5 level means it is just big a loss that I faced, okay? And see, my psychology is just totally destroyed, and this is my mistake, and this is not a huge loss even, right? Then what about the people who just put trade for the call side for here and shoot up all the way? And whatever the people who have entered here, like here for the upside, and market just fallen all the way down. I just can't imagine the pain what they are carrying right now, because just in a fraction of 2 minutes or just a single candle, your entire capital would have wiped out. And for option sellers, it is even worse. So after the dramatic day, here the market just in the consolidation phase. According to our rules, market could come just like this and go all the way just to the swing high. That's the target. But at least the recent swing, this is the first target and this is the second target. So market given us the first target, but see, again, you can't hold that long. Today is expiry, and there will be a ridiculous premium decay, right? So again, here the market got rejected. So there is no point of entering the trade here. I was continuously checking in the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame. So I was unable to make an entry. Let me show you why I didn't make entry even in the 1 minute time frame. See here, as you can see here, is there any chance that anyone could enter the trade? Tell me. Here I have seen this Let me draw it from here to here. Okay, for your satisfaction, let me draw it correctly. Okay, if you draw this from here to here, is there a point where you could enter here? You cannot enter there, because morning 9.5% of loss. Okay, and you are just entering the trade with a major fall, and in air, you know what I mean. In air means the knife is falling and falling, you're trying to catch in the air. What will happen? So you cannot enter here. Okay, the next thing could be, if you take this swing, even if you take the small swing from here to here, will you try to enter here? See, you don't even know the market got sustained or what. You don't even know this. This one is so fast that in just a split of a second it went dramatically down. Okay, so there is no proper entry at this level or at this level. So 2 swings gone. Okay, let me show you the third one. There is no proper entry. See, you cannot enter there. See here, this is for the upside, and so this is for the upside. Is there any chance that you could enter here? Tell me. No chance, right? There is no chance of entering the trade here. There is a different issue, that is a different scenario, where it drastically goes and drastically comes at the one level you can enter. But did it actually give you the profit? No, it just broke, and that even didn't even sustain. Okay, there's no point of trading there. Okay, another thing, let's check the recent swings, right? This is the W pattern that anyone could observe right here. So at the perfect point, the market got consolidation, and where could you enter? Tell me. Here, 0.7 level, where could you even enter? See, this breakdown happened. Breakout happened. Okay, next rejection, so cancel, right? Next, what happened? Again breakout, again rejection, so again cancel. Okay, next, what happened? This thing again breakout and sustained. Next candle also a green candle. Where would you enter in this big candle? Tell me, is there any possibility of entry at this green candle? No, but there is a sustain. See, this is where the candle got sustained. So again the market is coming drastically down. Will you enter here again? So can you enter here? See, the market keep on falling. Will you enter here at this point? Tell me. See, there is a perfect sustaining, right? So this is a live trade, as you can see. According to the rules, we can enter because it is sustained. But will you dare to enter there? Nope. Let me show you one thing. Why our levels are not working, at least for today? I mean, why there is no perfect entry? See, can you enter here? The market got a perfect hammer. Will you enter there? Obviously not, because it is not exactly equal, as you can see here. Even though it is sustained, you can still enter according to the rules, but this is just dramatic market one. And today is expiry. It should go all the way to this level. Which is 20%. The win probability will be lesser and lesser because the target is bigger and bigger. That's the case. So if the running candle is green and it is just below this level or something below this level, then I'll try to enter. Okay, it shouldn't go all the way up and it shouldn't come all the way down. It should maintain the, it should hold the position. So as you can see, that didn't even sustain, and that is not even green color, right? So let's see the overall chart, what it did there. So we are running here and the 5 minutes time frame I'm checking. Will the market go up from here? Tell me. Will the market go all the way to here from here? Is there any possibility? See, here the market is not even in a structure form, right? Look at the market. How is it going? See, it is going like our heartbeat. See here. How is the heartbeat? Just like this, right? In the cinemas or in the movies, you can see the heartbeat. How's the heartbeat? This is how it looks, right? The heartbeat. It is just like the retail trader's heartbeat. So I don't know how many people got heart attack at this point. So morning, what did I conclude? Did you remember the point where here there is a small minute gap of 1.2 level? If that level breaks, then the market will shoot all the way up. So if you consider this, if you just don't consider and just neglect that there is just a small minute gap, so we can consider it as a market just touched this level, or something like that. Then what can we consider today? Just sideways market, right? So as you can see here, the market didn't go up all the way, and the pullback happened, and the market is off sideways, right? So this is the day, this is the end of the day. So one thing I need to mention here, I just checked a video where why the market is behaved so abnormally. So this is not a normal thing in the market, right? So this is because of the RBI policy. Something, there is a policy, okay, that is why the market behaved like this abnormally. At sharp 10 o'clock, the market behaved like that. So this is a abnormal stage. You cannot blame the market, you cannot blame the trader. So this happens. See, we have to see when there is a event, particularly an event, in sense, like RBI policy and budget, financial area, like that. And if there is a rocket launcher, something like, there is an event occurring in current world or India, so you have to be very cautious. Like Adani's, that there are events, right? Adani's crash or any news, any sort of a news or any sort of a event. So we have to be aware of that, and we have to trade according to the news as well as event, right? So we are unaware of event at this point, so the entire point, so we got the loss. So we don't even trade at this point, right? So because we have entered the trade at like 950ish or something, 950, 952, something between. So we don't even enter the trade at that point of time because there is a event at 10 o'clock, right? So this is the another thing. Events disturb the market, so we have to be very cautious. So that is it for today. See you tomorrow, because tomorrow is Friday, okay? And hope tomorrow we make some profit, right?